Welcome to another video of the Suerte del Molino farm, Arrocha Valley, Huelva province, state of Andalusia in Spain. Here we document how we go along the road of being natural because it's important to us. Today I want to document something special that I can remember it in future because it was quite an ordeal. Here we have some green grass and then some yellow grass and then some black grass. This is the oxidation process, and mainly because of water and also the heat. Here is a canvas. So the yellow part did not get water and did not get sun, and the black part did. So water extremely important to us. This is the site of our well. It is close to this creek, and for the last 4 days it broke my head because I didn't understand and I could not fix it. But finally, looks like we can now put it back. The first thing is I had to buy a new pump, and then I realized there are probes onto the system. Three of them, and it never worked. I tried as many things that I could, but without luck. The problem I experienced is I did not open my eyes, investigate and find the top probe. The whole time the sensor kept telling me no water, because this one is about 5 meters above the pump. I never took the time to look for it, and that was my problem. Open my eyes and I will see. 5 meters above the pump is a probe. And then a meter above the pump, another probe. And then about half a meter under the pump, another probe. This bottom one is called the control, the reference, just to facilitate the flow of the light current between these probes. So this probe is the lowest level the water should go, and then the top probe 5 meters further will tell us when the water level is back up and the pump will switch on again. This is the borehole, 100 meters deep, and the diameter is 20 centimeters, so it holds just over 2,500 liters of water. The pump itself sits on 70 meters, 1,500 liters, but it actually refills quite rapidly once I start pumping some water. I must now tie this rope to the pump, and then we can lower it down the borehole, switch it on, and it should work. We have tried it now a few times, and it actually works well when we have the probes here in this dirt bin full of water. This borehole, the water is about 7 meters from the top. And just as a reference, this is bow panel. It is styrofoam reinforced with some mesh, metal mesh, and then concrete. This is the one side of the wall and the other side is the same. And this is what our house is made out of. And it is a almost permanent temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, which is beautiful. And it can withstand a magnitude 7 earthquake. So quite strong, powerful stuff. Coming down to the creek. In front of us, the infiltration system, the galleries that fill with infiltration water from the left. The creek is just on the left. And then a canal down here. It had permanent running water 30 years ago. Today it's dry. We have another motor here, pump on to this aljibe, this underground tank. It contains 8,000 liters of water. This pump is also screeching like a cat, so I've ordered a replacement of this and have this one fixed as a replacement in the case of need. Yes, everybody says this is a bird feeder, but it works well. Some clouds in the sky. Let's hope. We had many promises this year. So far only 30 liters of rain in almost 5 months. That is too little to keep the system going. A huge old oak tree. Sorry, this is a cork tree. And underneath this cork tree I have my coffee plants, so it never gets any shade. Oh, always gets some shade, never sun. This is the Arabica coffee, always in the shade. Over in the northeast, some black skies, where we are still some white clouds. Let's hope. Lots of rumble. We are ready. Till next time. Goodbye.